But there is something I want to show you guys before I move on. I'm going to put a post here with barbed wire, and then I'll show you what else I'm going to do. So this is going to go here. These will end up down attached to the bottom, like an old fence. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to use yet. But this is metal work that I did. It's going to be grass, and it'll be around different areas. But I have a whole bunch of them, different sizes and shapes I made. So I'm not exactly sure. I don't want to put too many because I don't want it to get over too much, but 2 or 3 maybe. Some of these. Like this is metal that I've welded to look like a leaf. This one's really cool. Looks like either a pumpkin leaf or a oak leaf. More like a pumpkin, I guess. Old maple. But I'm gonna paint these. It's like some just regular old leaves. After those are painted, there'll be a few of them just laying around. I don't know how I'm gonna put them, but hiding down by a fence post. So like if this one comes down here like this, it'll probably be a leaf. You guys aren't going to be interested in seeing that, but that's what, God, I cut myself on the barbed wire. I just don't know how I'm going to have to like hammer the, like put little tiny brad nails in those or something to hold them down.